Hey everyone, today we were talking about a tense moment that happened between Din the Great and Bhushan. The situation quickly became uncomfortable and people online starting discussing it a lot. Before starting video, I clearly want to say that this video is only made for educational and awareness purpose. In this video, Bhushan says he does not really know Din the Great, but Din feels upset hearing that. He responds by saying, "You do know who I am. I don't know why you are saying that." You can clearly see emotion rising in that moment. Another person, Tiki, tries to claim the situation. He gave Dean a chance to rethink his reaction and step back. For a brief second, it looked like things might settle down, but instant the situation suddenly turns physical and the moment shocked everyone watching. Clips from the incident spread quickly online. Many viewers discuss respect, ego, and how misunderstanding can grow first when emotion take over. Some people felt it could have been avoided if everyone stay calm. Moments like this remind us not every disagreement need to become serious. Talking calmly and listening to each other can stop problems before they grow. What do you think about this situation? Could it have been handled better? Share your thought in the comment and do not forget like and subscribe for more updates.